Hello, my name is Mallory Trauber and I'm a program director at Living Classroom. Today we'll be creating a vinaigrette for salads. A vinaigrette is made of oil, vinegar, and seasonings. Let's get started.
Salads are a great way to combine all the fruits and vegetables that you love the best. You can create your own textures and flavors as you decide which ones to add to your plate. Salads also keep us healthy, as they can contain the 6 essential nutrients for a healthy diet. The 6 essential nutrients are vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, water, and fats. The main ingredient of our vinaigrette is olive oil, and olive oil is considered a healthy fat. Healthy fats give your body energy and support cell growth. Fats also protect your organs and help your body absorb nutrients. Let's get started. To make your own salad dressing, you will need olive oil or canola oil, balsamic vinegar or red wine vinegar or even lemon juice, herb seasoning like Mural of Flavor or Green Goddess, salt, pepper, seeds like pumpkin or sunflower seeds, a small bowl, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and a fork. Step 1. Start with 1 tablespoon of oil. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Step 3. Sprinkle in herbs. Step 4. Sprinkle in salt and pepper if you like. Step 5. Add half a teaspoon of your favorite seeds. I'm going to choose sunflower kernels. Step 6. Use a fork to mix the ingredients together. Step 7. Pour the vinaigrette over your salad greens. Step 8. Eat and enjoy! Yum! We make homemade vinaigrettes during our 5th grade energy salad lessons, but we hope everyone might enjoy trying this recipe at home.